So hey guys, welcome to another video, and today here I will be solving an intermediate level string SQL query problem, and let's jump on to the question. Okay, so the question says, as you can see the table, right? In the table we are having some name of two candidates in the messy order. So the question says is to segregate the names and present it in the correct order of their caps. Like so that this name should be segregated as first name and last name. Another first name we should have the first name of that candidate like aNkiT in the particular order of the caps, like A should be in capital and the rest of the letters should be in small letters, and in the last name we should have dhAR where D should be in the capital and the rest as the small letters. Okay, so we need to segregate the particular names in this order. So take a moment and try to solve this by yourself. If not possible, I will show you the solution. So in this particular solution, we are going to use majorly 2 to 3 string functions like the substring and the char index and the uppercase function. Okay, so let's start with the solution. Select from names. So at first we need to segregate the first name and the last name, right? Then we need to arrange it in the proper order of the caps. So in order to segregate the first name and the last name, we are using the substring function. Okay, substring function takes 3 arguments. The first argument refers to, you can see the substring function requires 3 arguments. The first argument refers to the column over which we are going to use this particular function, like the name column. The next what it takes is that the particular position from which from where we are going to start the counting. Like from A I am going to start the counting, so I will enter 1, like A is at the position 1. Okay, and the last position should be the space, so I will count aNkiT till the space, right? So for what is the position of the space, in order to find that I will use another string function called char index. Char index. Okay, index. Char index takes 2 to 3 functions, right? It takes 2 to 3 arguments. Okay, the first argument should be what is the index, what is the particular thing I am going to find. So I am going to find space. On which column I am going to find space? I am going to find space on the name column. Okay, so the our substring function is completed. Like it will work on the name column. It will start from the position 1 and it will continue till the position where it found the space. Now I will name this column as if name. Similarly I will use another substring function to find the last name. Okay, like string. Now it will again work on the name column. Now I am going to start from the char index position. I am going to start from the position after the space. Okay, so I will just write char index space comma name plus 1 comma length of the name. Okay, I will make you understand this code also. Just a minute. As is in name. Okay, now see what happens here. Now in this particular function I am working over the name name column, and I am starting from the index after the space, like from D. I am starting from D and I am continuing till the last index, that is the R, that is still R. Okay, so I am using this condition, like these arguments. Now if I run this, you see my names, the names are being segregated. Okay, for the first thing, for F name we are getting aNkiT, and for the L name we are getting dhAR. Now I will store this as city, this one. Okay, now my next task is to like bring these two F name and L name in the correct order of their caps. So we will use the upper function and the lower function from city. So in this upper function I will use concat in order to like add. I will use concat to add the like to first to change the caps of the first letter, and then to change the caps of the remaining letter, and concating those two characters. So I will use a concat function. I need to change the caps of the, so I will give the upper keyword. It will work on if name. Okay, no, it will act like this. Substring, substring. It will start from sorry, a substring. It will start from if name, comma. It will start from one and end at one only. Okay, the concat. Okay, this one is of it ends here, and okay, I'm going to concat the lower one now. I'm going to lower the string and substring if name, comma, from position it will start till the end position, then of substring like if name. Okay, so if I run this query, like, see what happened here. I am getting the particular order of the names, right? How you are getting this? Like in the, I am using the upper function to like cast it in the uppercase using the if using the substring function. So I am only considered one if substring if name 1 comma 1. It will give the first letter of the particular string, right? So a is casted to upper character, and all the remaining characters are casted to lower character in the same way. Okay, now I will name this column as first name. Done. Next I will do the same thing for the last name. Okay, concat upper substring in name comma 1 comma 1. Okay, then comma lower the remaining uh, lower the remaining strings in name 2 comma length of the ln. Now, and I will name it as last list length. Okay, see, it's done. So what happens here is that I am concatenating the two things. One is this thing and the remaining string. Okay, so for this particular first part of the string, I'm concatenating the first I am like uh, casting the first character of the particular string into the uppercase and lowering the remaining characters, and using the concat function we are getting the result. I hope the solution is clear to you guys. Thank you.